If you overstayed your visa and getting sponsored by your parents, here's the process. Let your mom file an I-130 visa petition for you as quickly as possible. That establishes your priority date on the visa waiting list for a green card. And it won't matter how long that I-130 takes to get approved, your date is set on the filing date. Once your I-130 visa petition is approved, your case will be transferred to the National Visa Center. Once you get a case number at the National Visa Center, file an I-601A provisional waiver through hardship to your parents. The provisional waiver will give you forgiveness for overstaying on your visa. Now you can pay the fee bills at the National Visa Center. Now you can do your affidavits of support, and ultimately you will get documentarily qualified. Once you are documentarily qualified, your priority date is current. The National Visa Center will transfer your file to the U.S. Embassy of your birth country, and you will return with that provisional waiver in your hand on an airplane to leave the United States to go home for your visa interview. And here's what happens at the visa interview. You will take a medical exam prior to the interview, show that you don't have any communicable diseases, you don't have drugs in your system. Make sure you pass that medical test. You'll go for an interview. They'll check your affidavit of support, make sure it's good. They will make sure you don't have a criminal record. They will make sure you did not commit any fraud or ever lie to the U.S. government. They'll make sure that this is your actual parent. And they will ask you a series of questions to see if you are otherwise inadmissible to the United States. And then they will ask you for your provisional waiver. And if you are otherwise admissible to the United States, you don't have any skeletons in your closet, you'll get your immigrant visa to return to the U.S. and ultimately get your green card and be outside of the U.S. only for a few weeks. Good luck.